Okay, so we have the chicken prepped. We're about to top it with this panko mixture. Our veggies are prepped. The water is boiling for couscous. Tonight's meal is a HelloFresh meal. It's the crispy Parmesan chicken with the garlic herb couscous and lemon roasted carrots. We are getting this together super quickly on a Monday night at 6:47 p.m. Let's see how long it takes us to get this done. We just started maybe 15 minutes ago, so. HelloFresh. Okay, so we have our garnishes ready. Couscous is ready. And then carrots and chicken are almost ready. So that was definitely a very quick dinner. It is only, oop, if I can hold my phone. Oh wait, my phone died. What time is it? What time is it?
7:08.
7:08, not bad. Not bad, Piper. Not bad, handsome. And voila. This is the finished product. Chicken, carrots, and couscous. Yum. Looks amazing. This is the first time we've ever had a HelloFresh complaint. Mayday, mayday. It was amazing, but
We wish there was more.
it was just such a small portion, we feel like.
Very small
Like,
portion.
even like the carrots, like.
There was 3 carrots. They
We
were
want
not
more
that
carrots.
long. I mean,
We don't even like carrots. We want more carrots.
It tasted good, but
What do we do? Okay, I didn't film tonight's dinner, but we did the spiced chickpea basmati bowls. It was very simple. Simple ingredients. Cooked it up, and this is how it turned out. I feel like it looks pretty similar to the picture. And we're about to dig in. Handsome's here at the table with us. Bless his heart. Meow? Yeah. How is it, baby?
Mm.
Tasty?
Tasty.
Great. I'm ready to dig in myself. Got the chickpeas, the roasted onion, and oh, the chickpeas were also roasted. It looks fabulous. Lots of feta. Hey, man. All right, here's tonight's dinner. Shepherd's pie. You go ahead. Give us a taste test. I'll go over the paper after. We did not record this. I got home late. I went to the nail salon. But how is this?
Holy shizy.
This is some good shepherd's pie?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, we made the pub style shepherd's pie. It actually took a while to prep all the ingredients, but once they were prepped, it was pretty quick and straightforward.
Whole lot of cutting.
Whole lot of cutting and a whole lot of taking the stems off of thyme, and that took forever. Or not the stems, the leaves off of the stems of thyme. Sorry, very tired tonight, but anyway, it looks amazing. He loves it. He's like, stop recording me, I'm stuffing my face. By the way, guys, that shepherd's pie was amazing, and it was probably the most filling meal ever. So full, stuffed. Although the everyplate meals, all of those vegetarian meals have been really, really filling as well. So definitely very large serving sizes. All right, tonight's everyplate meal is the couscous stuffed delicata squash, and it looks like that prepared. It is pretty good. I like it. I have not made my final verdict. Is that my hair? God bless. Yeah. Sorry, baby. Should probably wear my hair back. Don't do it again in the same video. That's just freaking rude.
I don't want to do it.
Just pretend it's not there until I'm done recording. I don't even want to use that footage. How is the food?
It's good. It's not bad.
Do you like the squash?
It's pretty good. I'm not like a huge fan of squash and Brussels sprouts in the first place, but
So for the combination in one dish, you're not totally mad about it?
no. And I really don't like cranberries too much either. This whole dish is stuff I don't like.
So you're like, I was not. No wonder we made this one last. I just was going along with whatever you wanted to make every night. You were like, I don't want to eat that. I don't know. I like it so far. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madison, Olivia, and today we are actually cooking Green Chef meals downstairs right now. I decided to give another subscription box a try. This time it was Green Chef, and we chose the vegan options. I think we may have chosen one vegetarian option, but we got 4 different meals to try. This is the first night. I'm about to show you our dinner and show you what we made, but I just thought I would take you guys along and show you yet another subscription box, because at this point, if you don't just try them just to try them and get the discount, I don't understand why, because they're so amazing. And I mean, I guess if you hate cooking, don't, but if you enjoy cooking hassle-free, not having to go to the grocery store, it's primo. So anyway, I'm about to show you our first meal that we've ever made with Green Chef, and yeah, here we go. Alright, so tonight we made the Mexican pinto bean meatballs, and this is a vegan meal. We chose it actually because it only took 40 minutes to make, and we wanted something very filling, and this is 1,000 calories per serving, so a big refeed meal, because I didn't eat a lot today. Whoa, threw that wafer real far away. This is what the meal looks like for us. And this is what the picture looked like. It looks like they just used more fully purple cabbage, but other than that, I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It looks pretty good. I think we did okay. How's it taste? You just tried it.
It's good.
It's good? Got our ambiance. He got me these as a present for Christmas. You can change the brightness and if it's flickering or not. It's really cool. Love these. But anyway, yeah, can't wait to eat. But I wanted to show you guys meal 1 of our box, which is the Mexican pinto bean meatballs. So completely vegan meal, which really I'm trying to be plant-based now.
I never knew you could do like pinto beans and paprika and chia seeds as a meatball.
The chia seeds, is it good? I love chia seeds, so I'm very excited to try this. So yum. I feel like the color is too bright in here because I turned the brightness up so much. But anyway, here's our beautiful meal. Get the ambiance going, dimmed the lights. Cute man, I know. Cute boy, cute dog. So blessed. Okay, and finally, handsome decided to join the party. And just so you guys know, I've only been eating for like 3 minutes, and it's so good. I've like devoured, what, 3 meatballs already. This is just outstanding. I can't wait to tell you guys more about this box, but super convenient box. And something I just wanted to note as I'm finishing up the first Green Chef meal is that I'm getting really full, like really full. Ryan is like regretting eating his whole plate.
This doesn't happen with these meals like this. I'm like never been so full. I feel like so something I will say is, although this Green Chef box, so far this is only the first one, this box is a little bit more expensive. I mean, it is vegan food delivered to your door, but the 4 meals without the discount, I think with shipping is $110. So that's $10 a meal. However, if you think of it as 2 meals, it's $5 a meal. So, and at 1,000 calories per serving, whoa, sorry, at 1,000 calories per serving, it could have easily been 2 meals, 2 500-calorie servings. I'm thinking about actually saving this because I can't explain to you how full I am, guys. It's a lot of food. You guys go, Green Chef. It's actually a really great deal. Love it.